The coping saw uses a thin blade, almost like a string, attached to both ends of a bow-shaped frame. In addition to wood, there are blades available for metal. It can make complex curved cuts and cutouts. Draw the desired shape on the material. If cutting out, make a hole inside the outline for the blade, insert the blade, then attach the frame to cut. Move the scroll saw up and down to cut along the line. Securing the material flat makes the work easier.